Hello guys, welcome to Tech Teachers. In last session we saw the translation and warming up of lesson The Story of Tea. We hope you understood the previous lesson. So without wasting time, let's move on to next question. The question is list all the names of geographical places mentioned in the passage. Obviously the names are in your mind, that is Assam, China, Kambod, Darjeeling and Nilgiris. Now we will turn on the next question. Make smaller words using the letters in the given words. It is very easy. See, actually you can make so many words just like at, all, tall, can. Next, refreshing. We can make like fresh, in, ring, sing, fin. After that, immediately. See here, dial, eight, die, mat, date. Next is investigations. The answer is invest, in, on, at, west, get. Now, next, meditation. Words are like me, it, at, on, edit, diet. After that, next word, enjoyable. Words are enjoy, able, joy, know, noble. After that, loneliness. The answer is one, on, line, in, lone, and last one is friendship. So here answer friend, and find, ship, fright. Let's turn on the next question. From the passage, copy correctly any three sentences that begin with how. For this answer, we read lesson carefully and then we get the answer. So here the answer. First, how did this magical beverage get its name? Second, how did tea first come to India? Third, how about you? See the next question. Find the meanings of the following from a good dictionary. For this answer, you can use a dictionary. Now see here. First, infusion. A liquid formed by pouring water on something. Second, restorative. The meaning, a medicine or drink that restores health or strength. Third, inscriptions. Words or symbol inscribed on surface or in a book. Fourth, radicals. Going to the root or bottom. Fifth, connoisseurs. An expert in matters involving the judgment of beauty. Let's move on the next question. List the words related to. First, agriculture. Can you find the answer? No. See here. Leaves, flush, birds, camellia, synonym. B. Chemistry. From this passage, the words you should write related with chemistry, that is antioxidants, flavonoids, radicals, theanine and caffeine. Let's turn on the next question. Complete the following sentences with the help of the passage. First, Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in dash. The answer is tropical and subtropical climates. Second, the teas we buy are usually classified according to dash. The answer is the size of their leaves. Third, in many countries around the world, tea drinking is dash. The answer, an important social occasion. Fourth, our body produces chemicals called dash. The answer is free radicals. Next question. Prepare a flowchart to show the growth and journey of tea from the plantation to our homes. Use information from the lesson. So, see here. First, plantation. Leaves dried, leaves cut, leaves processed. They are packed and final sold 2. Now here our workshop is over. We hope you understood today's video very well. In further video we will come back with the new lesson. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notification of our new video. Thank you.